What's up guys? I'm here in Tequila National Park and today I'm looking for any wildlife that I can find. So I'm heading on the Greens Falls circuit. It's not too long, but it does go down into a nice little forested valley. And hopefully, because there's not so many people out today, I'll spot some really cool stuff. So stick around because cool videos to come. God, just look at this amazing animal. So this is a carpet python. This particular one was about 2 meters long, and my God, it was stunning. For me, this is something that is completely different. Back in England, we don't have these sorts of animals, and even though we do have some snakes, we never see them. So, being here in Australia and being this close to a python was so special for me. And there it goes. One thing I love about this place is just how Jurassic it feels. It is so ancient here with all the palms and ferns in this old temperate rainforest and the vines that go across the trail. It's wonderful. I wish I could bring my brothers here because I know they'd love it, especially for the wildlife. The birds are incredible up in Tequila, as well as the reptiles as well. So maybe one day they can come out here, but for now, these videos will just have to do. What a sighting that snake was. Incredible. Heck, this is exactly the reason why I make these videos, is just to get outside more and come across the wildlife that I'm not used to seeing back in the UK. And here in Australia there is so much to see. So I just love getting out and showing people what I'm up to and the kind of wildlife that there is to be seen here in these amazing rainforests. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I'm going to try to get more of these kind of videos coming out soon. So if you like it, smash a like and drop a comment on what kind of things you want to see next. Anyway, I've got to hike back, so I'll leave it to you guys and see you on the next one.